Hello guys, I will not show you my face yet. Here's my neighborhood scar. You will see my face for a while cause I look ugly. So I'm not gay. So I'm starting a new video in my iPod. I'm gonna make a show about it. I'm gonna like what GP Gaming does. If you don't know him, you should see his channel. It's Jopas Gaming. Search that in YouTube. Uh, I should just give you the description. Oh, that's my mom over there. Yeah, I know. I still live with my mom. Cause I'm 11. Huh? I don't wanna see some 27 years old living with his mom playing World of Warcraft. That guy does he probably have a life. And did he do college? Cause he's too lazy to.